Okay, before we proceed to the next process for protein synthesis, let us first familiarize ourselves with the genetic code. Okay, so the nucleotide sequence of an RNA has the informational part. So alam natin na ang laman na lang ng mRNA ay informations or genetic informations kasi natanggal na yung introns during the splicing. Okay? So these bases or these base sequences in the mRNA determines the sequence of amino acid. Okay? So this genetic information actually codes for the amino acid used for protein synthesis kasi we know that the building blocks for protein are amino acids. Okay, so this three nucleotide sequence is known as codon. Okay, the three nucleotide sequence in mRNA, which is codon, codes for specific amino acid. Remember that there are 64 codons, wherein 61 of them are related to the 20 amino acids. And there are three codons which could be translated as a stop codon or stop signal for protein synthesis. So, genetic code is the assignment of the 64 codons to a specific amino acid or stop signal. Okay, so by three yung nucleotide sequence sa amino acid sa mRNA para mag-determine or mag-code siya for a specific amino acid. Okay. Ano ba ang features ng genetic code? First, it is highly degenerate. Ibig sabihin, maraming amino acids are designated by more than one codon. Okay, so for we only have 20 standard amino acids, but we have 61 codons that will code for a specific amino acid. So pwede ang isang codon or dalawang codon could code for one amino acid. So, pwedeng maraming code for one amino acid. And because of this, that codon specify for amino acids, they are called synonyms. Okay? So, there is also a pattern in the arrangement of synonyms in the genetic code. And this genetic code is almost universal. So, ibig sabihin, all the amino acids for different living things will use or will are the same rather. Pare-parehas sila ng genetic code mapa human, mapa animal, so parehas lang sila. Okay? So universal. And an initiation codon exists. Kung kanina merong stop codon or stop signal, meron ding initiation codon or start codon. Okay, so let's have an example. Is this example is coding for, let's say this is the mRNA. So mRNA ito. Question is, what would be the protein or amino acid sequences if the mRNA is this one? Okay. So, paano natin a-answeran yun? Kung pinapahanap sa atin, ano yung amino acid sequences for protein synthesis if the given given mRNA is this one? Okay, so gagamit tayo ng genetic code and it is included in our manual. So, we start with the three bases. So, by threes ang basa natin. GCC. Hanapin natin si GCC dun sa ating table. GCC. So, pag titignan natin to, meron siyang pattern. So, on the left side, this is the first letter, yung malapit sa 5' end, and you have here you have U, C, and then you have it here is as U, A, G. And then the second letter is this one, U, C, A, G pa rin. And then the third, you have U, C, A, G. Such that if this is the first letter, U, so, nandito siya. And then another U. So, lahat dito, U din. And then, the third letter is UCGA. So, ito yan, UCGA. So, lahat naman dito ay first letter niya ay U, second letter nila ay C, and then you have the UCAG rather, sorry, UCAG. Okay? Now, so yung balikan natin yung pinapahanap, GCC. So, anong amino acid ang GCC? So, this is the G nasa baba, and this is this one, GCC. Kung makikita nyo, these four codes for alanine. Isang amino acid lang siya. So, this GCU, GCC, GCA, and GCG are synonyms. They are different codons, but they only code for one specific amino acid, so therefore they are synonyms. Okay, so GCC is alanine. This is alanine. And then AUG. Hanapin natin si AUG. AUG. Ito. AUG is, aside from being an initiation codon, it also codes for methionine. Okay? Asan ba yung mga stop codon? Nandito. So, iisa lang ang initiation codon natin, ha? That is AUG. But we have three stop codon and they are UAA, UAG, and UGA. These are the three stop codon. Pero for our case, since nandito siya sa gitna, it is not an initiation codon, rather, it would be a methionine kasi dalawang purpose ng AUG. It is methionine, it codes for amino acid methionine, or it's an initiation codon. Okay. So this is alanine a while ago, this is methionine. Okay, so if this one would be coded as, okay, so GCC is alanine a while ago, and then AUG is methionine. Gagamitin lang natin yung table. VG, GUA is valine, AAA is lysine, UGC is cysteine, GAC is aspartic acid, and the last CCA is proline. So this one would be the amino acid sequence for this specific mRNA. So ulitin natin paano natin malalaman kung anong amino acid for this codon. Codon is the three nucleotides or three bases sequence in the mRNA. So gagamit din lang natin yung table ng genetic code. Okay?